It's fall, y'all. Just kidding. Hey, it's the Scott with San Marcos Makes. It is time for pumpkin spice. So really quick recipe here. This is a pumpkin spice muffin. Two ingredients. All you're gonna need is a spice cake mix, any brand you would like, and 1 can of pumpkin, pureed pumpkin. So we're just gonna simply take the spice cake mix, dump it in the bowl. Come on, get out, get out. Everything gets out. All right, and just quickly run your fingers through it, run a spoon through it, break up any big clumps. Finally getting cooler in Texas. Start having this pumpkin spice. All right, so take a can opener, get it all open. This happens to be an organic one, but any can. I mean, surely this time of year you can easily find pumpkin. Looks like baby food. Looks like something I used to feed my kids. All right, so get this all in from the can. Get it in there. Literally all you're going to have to do next is simply mix it up. That's it. That's it. Now you can add other things in it. As you're going to see, I'm going to add something in it. But just simply take a spoon. No need for a mixer. Mix, 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 mix. Think of it as until the white goes away. That's how you'll know it's very mixed up. I added chocolate. Dark chocolate. I don't do the milk chocolate. Just some lots of nice dark chocolate. Mix it up. Want to add a little more? You could, and which I do. I almost add the whole bag. But other things you could easily add. You could definitely add any kind of nuts, pecans. I bet any extra spices. Add some, ginger or probably candy ginger would probably be really good. You could probably throw some oats or anything like that would easily go good. But you're going to set your oven for 350. I've got a convection oven. If you have that, use convection. If not, regular oven. Now just put the little cupcake liners in. This will make 18. So right now I'm only going to focus on the 12. But no, it will do 18, no problem. I'm going to use a cookie scoop, but you could just use a spoon. So each container is going to get a portion. What your goal here is about 3/4 of full. So just fill it up 3/4. So if you're using a cookie scoop, it's going to be about a 1.5 cookie scoop. If you're using the spoon, just kind of judge it right to about 3/4. I mean, it's obviously going to flatten as it cooks. So I had to kind of go back and add just a tad bit more in each one because I wanted it right at the 3/4 line. But a cookie scoop is a great addition if you don't have one, especially when you make cookies. Makes it real easy, but for little things like this, would take forever if you're doing ice cream because it is a little bit smaller, but same concept as an ice cream scoop. It's just a little bit smaller. So I also wanted to try this. So these also have chocolate, but I wanted to put kosher salt. I love chocolate and salt, especially dark chocolate and salt. But we're just going to throw these in the oven. Put all 3 trays put in there, kind of right in the middle of the rack. Convection is going to take about 20 minutes. Non-convection is going to probably take about 25 minutes. When they're ready, go ahead and get them out. As quick as you can, get them out of that tray. The tray is still going to hot. You don't want to keep them cooking. So you can put it on a cooling rack. But that's it. They're done. So the toothpick method. If you don't know this, just stick it in any kind of cake. Should come out clean. Mine actually does not come out clean because I have so much chocolate. Every time I push it in, I'm not getting cake. It's chocolate. So method didn't work as good as that. But that's it. It's as simple as that. These are really good. I was kind of impressed. My wife found this recipe really, really good recipe. But literally 2 ingredients. How easy is that? So simple. But appreciate watching. If you like it, give it a good thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.